Hi, I'm Aaron King from Toronto, Canada, and I've just finished the ECAM's Cadaveric course, and it was a great review of periorbital anatomy. It was for blepharoplasty upper and lower. It really increased my knowledge of blepharoplasty and skills and anatomy in that area. Transitioning from the cadaver to the live patients today, it was great to see and be guided by the excellent surgical staff and mentors that ECAMS has in performing these procedures. And after several live patients, the confidence in performing this procedure has greatly increased. In general, it's a much more one-to-one type training. You get your hands in there and you get to actually perform procedures instead of just watching people being treated on stage. So you actually feel more confident after performing these procedures than with other training programs I've been to. Like especially doing the cadaver and then live patients back to back. Even going back further from the videos, it's a nice introduction, but then having the surgical staff right beside you as you're doing the cadavers, it allows them to point out anatomically important areas, danger zones, etc. And then translating that into the live patients. They're right there beside you. And they'll do one side and then guide you through the opposite side on the same patient. We've had faculty that have been doing this over 40 years training us, so and also very very welcoming. Today I felt kind of spoiled, to be honest, because all questions being answered, and I look forward to hopefully performing this on some of my own patients in the near future. Yeah, highly recommend the course. Reach out to ECAMS if you're interested. Good luck.